bulala nyengu watawala madla mabula no mongang bulala nyengu watawala madla. Oh no, cool. Let's leave it here. Greetings, dumelang sanibonani, tosani, hayibekhanya belisedi realocha. Knowledge seekers, light workers, woke gang, wannabe woke gang, hotel gang that reads, conscious gang, queer and conscious, queer black and conscious, knowledge collectors, note comparers, Togoza Gogo gang, spiritual gang, 420 gang, stoners, but Sanbonani Twazani, welcome back to another episode that's not an episode. We still need to do an intro, but welcome back. So please subscribe, please subscribe, please comment, please ask. I like questions. Thank you so much for those who have been commenting and subscribing. Please do. If it doesn't take too much from you, and also if it's content that you feel you'll resonate with, or if it's in a very healthy way. So what's up everybody, spiritual gangsters, dumelang melanated gang. So Neo of Neoya Badimu Wellness. So she's Neoya Badimu on all socials. The waist beat girl. I got cool waist beats. You guys know waist beats. Okay, I like it when I'm on it. So she's Neoya Badimu. She was asking why am I putting on an accent when I was popping my fro. It's for the people who don't speak the languages that we speak down here, right? Because I don't want to double dab and also the translation. But welcome back to an episode which is not an episode, like I said. I just wanna finish off so I'm in a phase where I'm just tying up loose ends. More something that I did not complete, I'm completing that, right? Except for X's. It's like for secret. So I just wanna finish off the conversation that we started the other day. African names being affirmations, right? Where and BaSotho, the BaSotho people came for me. Don't come for me actually. They were correcting me, enlightening me, because I'm also a learner in this. I'm also a knowledge seeker. I belong to me and my ancestors. So I'm still seeking, and knowledge is basically elevation, right? We're all looking for our Heru self. So a friend of mine, actually they're both Tswana people. So Batswana, they're also a subgroup, BaSotho. But that's also a bit controversial. But anyway, so I got a correction from a friend of mine, Kitty Cat. So Koko Ore. I am cognizant of this, but she also gave me pointers that I was not aware of. So shout out kids. She'll be joining me quite soon. She's based in Cape Town, but she'll be joining me very soon. She's a sweetie. But so going back to African names being affirmations, being umpahlo, being Bitso lebe ke seromo, or Bitso lebe ke seromo. Maybe we need to change that saying. Gotta consult the kings, I think. The kings are on. The royal house saving the guy. But anyway, I digress, commandas. I digress. But so she was making. So what she added on was, remember I said BaSotho why lefa bana ba lona mabitso so, and BaSotho I mean the BaSotho, Bapedi, Batswana, and lady subgroups. We also have sub tribes, and I'm not gonna say much than Guni. I haven't learned a lot on the naming convention, but damn, y'all name your babies. I think they have like dope names. But anyway, so with a name like Matlakala, right? Bo Matlakala, I'm correct if I am not correct. But usually, this is something I was told when I was a kid, right? So usually, Wana Obitwang Matlakala would be a kid that comes after a miscarriage, right? So Wadla Utlofiela, right? Which is the point that Kit was making, that sometimes Kiho Tiba Pat, Kiho Kwala, right? Just as much as when maybe you die being shot or suicide, or any other families practice this, where now there's certain rituals that are done, or the coffin, coffin coughing. Remind me on another episode where we're gonna talk about transitioning. Death transition, not my people transition. Yeah. Transitioning into other realms. Remind me. But anyway, so horele boxy alikeni in the yard because the Zulu term ki unkoka, right? Or if you're stabbed or there's certain things that you want to block that. So with other families, the Basotos, banka in that, right? So it's not necessarily hore we're naming you because untofe is debatable, but it's to stop. So let's say maybe a child is born, if was still born, or it's a miscarriage, or in a ritual cleanser after any form of loss of a baby. You name, so what did she say? She said it so beautifully. Hore, because badimu babone into entle baska fihla hape ba enke, right? So ngwana o ona le motle in that way. So not physically motle. Motle is like beautiful, beautiful. See what I mean? See why I'm trying to speak my Bantu language, because it's low vibrational. It's low vibrational. But yeah, so ke go kwala ke go baleng to saying BaSotho again. How embarrassing. Mkoka again ka Sotho. So you cutting the cord of the events that would come, or if the gods will come take this next kid again, right? So then you would name your child whatever it is, right? So I guess sure she well, I think Neribwa got the name Maleshwani, right? But we beat Tswana. And then my other friend as well, who reminded me, my brother Dumang, wealth of knowledge. I just forgot his handles, but if you look for Dumang on, I think it's not a common name. He's the first and only Dumang I know. So Dumang. He goes by, I think it's sekhemet-bast on TikTok. I'm not too sure. But then he reminded me of something that he taught me, I think it was 2 years ago. The principle Oset, right? So Oset I got the mother. But we're gonna unpack that. So you asked me to double back into that the Oset season, which is next year. Rona, ma Afrika, next year. Those who are still using the Gregorian calendar. So March 21st, when we're it sounds like a gig, when we're introducing or unpacking the season, Oset, we'll get into that, and mothers and names and so kinto enike batlang ho share about names and why BaSotho ba fa mabitso a so. Then hona le ntho nga bareng ke go reella. You know, every time I bua my languages, I realize, man, colonization, I'm pouring kawata blind, because I know the words, but once I need to say them out, ke mathata. But horella motho, so it's also an affirmation of some sort, right? So I'm named after my grandmother, right? So she left when I was too young. She transitioned when I was too young to remember, but there's certain characters of hers that I remember, and man, ke sister Boza. I think then so blind at times, you know. But she was that person. So you also inherit character ya motho o reletsweng ka yena. So if you're named after Mang or Bare or I think 20 episode DNA ne. I think I got DNA. But so you also inherit character ya motho, how rela motho ka motho itseng, or a late somebody, but there's always reasoning, right? So which is the false information that we have in Africa. Nothing is ever just done, right? Things had a reason. Well, when we were still aligned, right now, ready disaster, ready divide and conquer, ready hateful blind, you know. But I wish us a healing, man. I wish us a unity one day, you know, because unfortunately everybody udlala the race card except for us. Rona ba rekisetsa ntho engwe so re tle qoqang ha se re na le di episode tsa manete. But so shall I outro with my intro, since my photographer here I'm sure it's on time. But no mongangulala nyeke wathola amandla ami. African peace. Happy today.